Next part, homogeneous. Homogeneous differential equation. Now, what is homogeneous differential equation? Now, already we have known. If we say that again, we take one example, that is 3 dy by dx plus 7y equal to 0. So in this equation, here x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. So homogeneous equation means what? The equation in which each term contain the dependent variable. The पूर्ण equation मध्ये if the dependent variable is present or the term of dependent variable is present, here dy by dx means y is dependent variable is present, here 7y means y is dependent variable is present, here nothing means 0 means we say that we can 0 into y means 0. So here also the dependent variable is present. Then such type of equation, it is known as homogeneous differential equation. Each and every part of that equation, if the dependent variable is term of dependent variable is present, then such type of equation, it is known as homogeneous differential equation. We take one another example, x d2y by dt square plus 9y or 9 we say that dy by dt plus 15y equal to 0. Now here also each and every term, this is first term, second term, third term, so each and every term the dependent variable y is present. Here d2y by dt square is there, here dy by dt is there, here 15y means y is present. Then such type of equation, it is known as homogeneous differential equation. If we were take one another example, that is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus x square minus 1 into y equal to 0. In this equation also the dependent variable y is present, here also the dependent variable y is present, here also the dependent variable y is present. Therefore such type of equation, it is known as homogeneous differential equation. Now if all these are the homogeneous differential equation, then what is non-homogeneous differential equation? Now we see that non-homogeneous. Homogeneous म्हणजे प्रत्येक ठिकाणी आपण सांगितलं की the term of dependent variable is present. Now non-homogeneous. The equation, if we contain that m d2y by dt square plus r dy by dt plus ky equal to f sin qt. So this is the equation of forced oscillation. Now this is the equation of forced oscillation. Here the dependent variable y is present, here the dependent variable y is present, here the dependent variable y is present, but in this part, in this term, the dependent variable y is not present. So the dependent variable y is not present, therefore this equation, it is known as non-homogeneous differential equation. Why? Because one term, there are few terms are there, 1 2 3 4, like 4 terms are there, but in one term this f sin qt, where y, the dependent variable y is not present, therefore such type of equation, it is known as non-homogeneous differential equation. Now we take one another example, d2y by dt square plus 8 dy by dt plus 4y equal to 3. Now in this equation also, here y dependent variable is present, here y dependent variable is present, here y dependent variable is present, but here only one quantity number is there, 3. Y is not present, so here y is not present, therefore such type of equation, it is known as non-homogeneous differential equation. Again we take one another example, 3 d2y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus 6y equal to sin x. Now in this equation also, here y is present, here also y present, here also y present, but here the y term is not present, therefore this equation is non-homogeneous. Instead of sin x, if we say that instead of y sin x is present, then this equation is homogeneous differential equation. And if y term is not present in any part of this equation, then it is known as non-homogeneous differential equation. So in this way we can learn the homogeneous equation and non-homogeneous equation. If the dependent variable term, the term of dependent variable is present each and every part of equation, then it is known as homogeneous equation. Means if y is present here, here also y present, here also y present, and here also if y is present, then equation is known as homogeneous differential equation. But in this particular equation, here the y term is not present, dependent variable, therefore it is known as non-homogeneous differential equation. Hello friends, now we see the next part, linear differential equation. A differential equation is said to be linear if the dependent variable contain only the first power, then such type of equation, it is known as linear differential equation. Now what is the linear differential equation? We can first take one example, and that by example we can easily understand what is the linear differential equation. So first we take one example, d2y by dx square plus 9 dy by dx plus 5y equal to 0. Now which is the dependent variable and which is the independent variable? This x, it is known as independent variable, and y, it is known as dependent variable. So the power of y, if it is 1 or first order, here it is y, no number means its power is 1. Here also y, its power is 1, and here also y, its power is 1. Then such type of equation, it is known as linear differential equation. The differential equation in which the power of dependent variable is only first order, then such type of equation, it is known as linear differential equation. We take one another example, that is x square d2y by dx square plus dy by dx minus 2 x square y equal to 0. Again here the dependent variable is y, so here also the power of y, not derivative. Derivative is a power, y is a dependent variable is a power. The power of dependent variable is y, y is 1, here also 1, and here also 1. Then this equation, it is known as linear differential equation. If we take one another example to understand, if this is linear, then what is non-linear? Everyone can say that if such type of equation, if it is linear equation, then what is non-linear equation? So if in equation d2y by, again we say that dx square plus omega square y square equal to 0. Now here the value of y, power of y is 1, but here the power of y is 2, and therefore such type of equation it is non-linear, because each and every dependent variable in that equation, if it contain only power 1, then such type of equation it is known as linear differential equation. Here one dependent variable, the power of one dependent variable is 2, therefore such type of equation it is known as non-linear differential equation. So if, for example, if we take here omega square y equal to 0, then we say that this equation is linear differential equation. Why? Because the power of dependent variable is here is 1, here also the power of dependent variable is 1, therefore such type of equation it is known as linear differential equation. Okay,